morning, children. Welcome to the online class. Today, I am going to discuss about the remaining use of definite article the. In the same way, I will also tell you where not to put the. In my last two lectures, I have widely discussed about the use of definite articles and indefinite articles. Today, now I am going to discuss some of the rules in regarding the definite article that I did not discuss in the last class. So please pay attention on the board. So here you should know that before the name of unique thing, before the name of unique thing, the is used. So here I have written on the board one of the uses of definite articles. Before the name of unique thing, the is used. Okay. So what is unique? That you have to know. If you know this meaning, it will be clear to you. Unique means the existence of one thing in this universe. Understood? The existence of one thing in this universe. In this universe, the thing that has only one, not two. Understood? Now let's go through the example that will be clear to you. Sun. You know, in this universe, only one sun exists. It means sun is unique. Okay. So what I put here, the will put here. I will put the. Next, in the same manner, if I write dash moon. Okay. So you all know that in this universe only one moon exists. So moon is a unique thing. So what I will put here? I will put here the. Is that clear? That before the name of unique thing, the is used. Now we will go to the next rule. What is the next rule? We will try to know. Next rule is before the name of directions. So the is used before the name of directions. Okay. You all know there are four directions: east, west, north and south. Okay. So before this name of direction, which article you will put? The. Same way the north. Okay. Same way the west. Same way you can say the east. Same way you can say the west, the south. Okay. So in this here we have come to know that before the name of direction, which article is used? Article the is used. Is that clear now? Now we will go to the last use of the. You should keep in mind that before superlative degree, which article is used? Before superlative degree, the is used. So before superlative degree, the is used. You all should keep in mind that what is superlative degree. You all know that according to the comparison of adjective, there are three types of degree. One is positive degree, second one is comparative degree, and third one is superlative degree. If I pick up the good, you all know that good is positive degree, better is comparative degree, and best is superlative degree. So here, according to the rules, before superlative degree, which article will be used? The article will be used. Here I am writing best. He is the best boy. He is dash best boy. So you all know that best is superlative degree, good positive, better comparative, best superlative. So what article I will put? The. Understood? If I take the example number 2, he is fastest. He is fastest runner. Okay? You all know that fast is positive degree, faster is comparative degree, and fastest is superlative degree. So according to the rules, before the superlative degree, which article will be used? Article the will be used. Is that clear? So before superlative degree, the is used. So here look at the sentence. He is the best boy. Look at the sentence number 2. He is the fastest runner. Here best I have put the. Before fastest I have put the. Hope these rules are clear to you. Now we are going to discuss. This is very important. You should keep in mind that where we should not put the. We have to understand that where we should not put the. Look, rule number 1. Note it very carefully. Before abstract noun. So look at the rule. Before abstract noun, the is not put. Understood? What is abstract noun? You have already known what is abstract noun in your last class. Okay? But I am giving you one reminder. Okay? You can relate to your definition. Abstract noun is name of a quality. You all know name of a quality, name of action, and name of state. Okay? So before the name of a quality, which article will not be used? The article will not be used. Keep in mind. If I say dash honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy. Okay? Honesty is the best policy. Here you all know that honesty is a quality. Honesty is a quality of a human being, or honesty is a quality of any man. Understood? So here honesty is abstract noun. So if you say the honesty is the best policy, the sentence will be wrong. Okay? So what will be the correct sentence? Honesty is the best policy. Why? Because before the abstract noun, no article is used. But I would like to tell you one thing that is very important. If abstract noun is particularized, okay, if abstract noun is particularized, then definite article the is used. Here particularized means if I talk about any quality of a particular person, then the will be used. What is that? If I say that the honesty of my father, the honesty of my father is well known. Here I have written the sentence. The honesty of my father is well known. Look, here honesty is abstract noun. Okay? But the is used. Why? Because here I have particularized the abstract noun honesty. I am talking about this quality, about the quality of a particular person. If I talk about the quality of particular person, then the will be used. Who is that particular person? That particular person is my father. But when I will not particularize that abstract noun, when I will use them in general, then abstract noun will not be, then the article will not be used before the abstract noun. Is that clear? In the first example, I wrote that honesty is the best policy. Here, article the is not used before honesty, because here I am not talking about the honesty of a particular person. But if I talk about the quality of any particular person, before that name of the quality, article the will be put. Is that clear? Now, we will enter into the second rule. Okay, before the name of any language, before the name of any language, so you should keep in mind that before the name of any language, the article is not used. I should not say I speak in the Hindi. I should say I should speak in Hindi. Understood? Here you all know that Hindi is the name of a language. So there will not be any article the. Okay? In the same way, you should not say I speak in the English. You should say I speak in English. So before the name of any language, which article is not used, the article is not used. Keep in mind. This is use number 2. Now we will try to know about the use number 3. What is the use number 3? Before the names of meal, before the names of meal, the article is not used. Okay? Before the names of the meal, you know there are different kind of meals you have to satisfy your hunger: breakfast, lunch, dinner. So before these names of meals, the article is not used. Okay, so we should not say the dinner, we should not say the breakfast, we should not say the supper, we should not say the lunch. Here article the will not be put. You should say I took lunch at 2. Okay, at 2 means at 2 o'clock. So here no article will be put. If you say I took the lunch at 2, that will be wrong sentence. So in the use number 3, we have known that before the name of meals, no article is used. Now we will enter into the use number 4. Rule number 4. What is the rule number 4? The rule number 4 is before material noun, no article is used. Okay, before material noun, no article is used. What is material noun? You all know that material noun means name of liquid or name of substance. Okay, liquid is water, so water is material noun. If you say the water is our life, okay, that will be a wrong sentence. You all know that water is material noun, so here I will erase the. So what will be the correct sentence? Water is our life. Is that clear? So here in the rule number 4, we have come to know that before material noun, which article is not used? The article is not used. So we should not say the water is our life. Okay, this will be a wrong sentence. We should say water is our life. But if I particularize the material noun, okay, then the will be used. Keep in mind. I particularize the material noun means if I talk about any specific material noun, if I talk about any specific things. Suppose here I am saying that water is our life. We are saying that in general. If I particularize that water of this pond. Look at this sentence. Water of this pond. Here I am talking about water of any particular place. Okay. So if I particularize anything, then the article will be used. So here I have to put the. So what will be the correct sentence? The water of this pond. Is that clear? So here rule is that before the material noun, the is not used. But if I particularize the material noun, then the will be used. Now we have almost come to the last rule. What is the last rule? Before any relations, the is not used. The is not used. So before any relation, our relations, our mother, our relations, our father, our uncle, our aunt. So in these names, before these common nouns, article the should not be used. We should not say that the mother. We should not say the father. Okay? We should not say the uncle. We should not say the auntie. So keep in mind, before the name of any relation, the article should not be used. If I write the mother serves lunch at 2, it will be wrong. You should say mother serves lunch at 2. So here we have what we have known. Here we have known that before the names of any relations, the article is not used. So these were the rules that I have discussed in the class. Your article chapter is over. Hope you have understood this. If you are having any problem, please you message me or WhatsApp me. I will try to clarify your matter in a very useful way. Thank you very much.